Hi everyone, welcome back to YouTech. Today we're exploring UXPilot.ai, an AI-powered platform that takes you from prompt to polished UI in less than 3 minutes. It's a powerful tool built for founders, product managers, engineers, and designers who want production-ready mockups without wasting days in design sprints. The best part? It exports directly to Figma for easy handoff and collaboration. In this video, I'll give you a step-by-step walkthrough. We'll generate a HiFi design, customize it, export it to Figma, explore the reference feature, and finally share it with the team. Let's dive in. Once you log in, you'll see a clean dashboard with 3 options: HiFi UI design, wireframing, and UX design review. For this demo, I'll start with HiFi UI design. Here you can decide whether you want a wireframe or a HiFi design. After that, you select the model version. UXPilot.ai currently offers an October 2024 model and a newer May 2025 model. I'll go with the latest one, since it gives more refined results. Next, you choose your screen type, either desktop or mobile. Now comes the fun part, adding a prompt. You can write your own, or if you're not sure what to type, you can use the built-in prompt tool to get suggestions. For this demo, I'll go with a music player with visualizer and playlist management. Simple, clear, and exactly the kind of project you'd want to test. To make the design even stronger, UXPilot.ai gives you 2 extra options. Turning on deep research helps generate better layouts with less effort, while the max setting produces larger and more detailed designs. I'll enable both for this demo. It's nice that they give you control over the balance between speed and depth. Next, we set up a workflow. Normally this could be time consuming, but there's an auto workflow option that adds the screens for you. Of course, you can remove or add screens at any point, but I really like that the platform saves you so much manual setup work. Now, with just one click on generate, the real magic happens. In less than 3 minutes, UXPilot.ai creates a polished, professional looking design for our music player. Honestly, seeing a full set of screens appear this quickly feels like a game changer, especially when you think about how long it usually takes to get to this level of detail. Once the design is ready, customization is really smooth. You can edit any text directly on the screens, view or copy the source code, open the design in a separate tab, or mark a screen as a reference. There's also an interact feature that lets you preview how the design would actually behave, which makes it feel almost like you're using a live product. Beyond that, you can save the design for Figma export, revisit your prompt history, change fonts, export the entire design as a PDF or PNG, rearrange layouts with the move feature, or even leave sticky notes for quick feedback. I really like the sticky notes. This feels practical for teams that want to leave comments or ideas without breaking the workflow. As someone who often spends too much time polishing designs, having everything right here in one place is a massive time saver. Sharing is simple. Create a private or public link, add password protection if needed, and teammates can instantly open the design in their browser. Now, let's look at my favorite feature, exporting to Figma. First, you just save your design for Figma inside UXPilot.ai, then open the Figma plugin. After signing in, you'll immediately see all the screens you saved. Select one, and just like that, a full Figma file is generated. From there, you can edit fonts, layouts, colors, basically anything you'd normally do in Figma. For teams, this is a huge advantage. Instead of waiting weeks for back and forth between design and dev, you can literally hand off same day, which saves an incredible amount of sprint time. Another feature I really appreciate is references. You can upload your own files like images or documents, or simply choose an existing screen as a reference. For this example, I'll select the music library reference and add the prompt, video music library. Within seconds, UXPilot.io generates a new screen that matches perfectly with the rest of the design. This kind of consistency is what makes it stand out. It doesn't just create random screens, it keeps everything aligned. And that's the full walkthrough. With UXPilot.ai, you can generate polished designs in just minutes, save hours of design time, share your work instantly, and even export directly to Figma while keeping everything consistent with references. It's intuitive, powerful, and a huge time saver. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. You can also try UXPilot.ai for free using the link in the description and pinned comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.